Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been some time since I did a video for YouTube. That's because I'm back at work now. We've opened up, so we've got outdoor seating and indoor seating now, so it's eased. It's been really busy, so I literally just needed some time to myself just to chill. I have been playing some games with some friends, just chilling out, but I've not been making YouTube videos or doing much streaming, just because I want to chill out. I'm very tired for work, but I've had a couple of days off now, so we're back in the kitchen. We're going to do a nice simple dish to kick off the YouTube. So going forward, I am going to try focus a bit more on YouTube and do some streaming, but like I said, YouTube is where it all started off for me, and I want to keep doing that. So today we're going to do something easy, something simple, super tasty. We're going to do some honey sriracha chicken served with some sesame noodles and broccoli. So it's very simple. I've got 2 chicken thighs here that I've just cubed. We'll need some broccoli. I'm using 10% broccoli that was trimmed and cut in half, some garlic paste and some ginger paste. You also need a bit of light soy sauce. You'll need some honey, some sriracha, and then for the noodles I'm just using whole wheat noodles and fresh sesame seeds, and that's going to be something simple because we want the flavours of the chicken to come out over the noodles. So the noodles is like a side dish to go with it. So the first thing we're going to do is get our pan of water on in the back behind me for our noodles, because while the noodles are cooking we can slowly start cooking our chicken, and by the time our chicken's done the noodles will be ready to drain, and get a bit of sesame seeds in that and a bit of sesame oil just to give it a punch of flavour. So the first thing we're going to do is get our chicken and broccoli cooked off, and then we shall add our noodles to the pan of water. So pan of water is on coming to boil. I've got a nice hot pan here with a bit of sesame oil for extra flavour. So we're going to take my chicken thighs and we're just going to get them into our pan. We're going to start to colour our chicken thighs. And then once we colour them, we'll flip them, colour the other side, then we'll add our broccoli and our ginger and garlic. So we're getting some nice colour on there now. First stage, you want your pan nice and hot before you put your chicken in. And we're gonna flip our chicken. Then we're gonna add our broccoli in. This is raw broccoli. And then our ginger and our garlic. Slowly cook that off. We're going to cook this now for about 3 to 4 minutes, and while that's cooking we shall add our egg noodles into our pan of water to slowly get them cooking. So our noodles are in, our chicken is lovely and getting coloured. So now what we're going to do is start adding a bit more flavour. We're going to add a bit of light soy sauce here. And then sriracha. A good amount of sriracha. And then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of runny honey. honey in there. We'll get that all incorporated. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn our noodles off, and then we're going to turn this onto high heat now and let that sauce reduce and thicken up. It'll become nice and sticky, which is what we want. So I'm going to let that reduce now for just a couple of minutes, 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Keep mixing it, we don't want it to catch and burn. So I've drained the noodles, transferred into the bowl, and I've also got some sesame seeds here. Not a lot. Put some sesame seeds in there. And that's literally it. There's some sesame seeds. I was going to put some sesame oil in there, but I don't want to because I've added that into our chicken. So that's just fresh sesame seeds. And now what we're going to do is get our plate together and we're going to plate up. And all I've done is put it into my bowl, arranged the chicken and the broccoli on top, poured the extra sauce, and just dusted it with a few sesame seeds on top, just for a bit of garnish. And there you go, guys. That is a simple dinner, lunch, sticky chicken with sriracha, honey, broccoli and sesame, served with egg whole wheat noodles. So guys, that's how I do a nice simple sweet and spicy chicken dish with some noodles. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, I'll leave all my links in the description for my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, my TikTok as well, because I do some TikTok videos. I started doing that. I might have to do this a bit more. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Next video we'll do something sweet, like a dessert or a cake or bake. We'll figure something out. So thank you so much for being here, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.